Hi guys, do you want to learn Microsoft Office at your own pace on any device? Then welcome to ExAdemy. ExAdemy offers you MS Office tutorials for complete beginners and for the intermediate and advanced users too. You will become more efficient and effective in MS Office by learning from the tutorials led by Shashank Walia. So I am Shashank Walia and I welcome to my channel ExAdemy. To begin with these tutorials, I recommend a basic knowledge on MS Office. In this series, you will receive a lot of lectures and tips and tricks on MS Office and its all Office products. And at the end, you will be more effective, more efficient in handling all the tasks on your MS Office than you ever were. So subscribe to my channel and you will get a full support on all your queries. You will get your exercise files to practice and above all a new skill to show off. So what are you waiting for? Just subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel.